In this video, I'll show you how to disable Facebook two-factor authentication. To get started, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your device. Click on the menu button at the top right corner of your screen. So in this menu section, go ahead and click on that Settings and Privacy. Under the Settings and Privacy drop-down, you'll be able to find the Settings button. So go ahead and click on that Settings button, and that will take you into Facebook settings. Now in here, go ahead and click on Meta Account Center and click on Password and Security. Click on two-factor authentication and click on your Facebook account. Now in this section, you'll need to go ahead and get the verification code sent to your email to confirm that you're trying to access this area of your Facebook settings. After you enter the security code, you'll be able to go ahead and disable that specific two-factor authentication method that you've enabled into your Facebook account. And that's basically how you can disable two-factor authentication on Facebook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.